up? It's me, Jenny B, and today I thought I would do a review on the Sally Hansen Hydrating Hand Mask. Soothing gloves for dry hands. Yes. So I did the review on the Sally Hansen Spa Collection Peel-Off Nail Mask. I liked it. I'll do it again. It looks like there's a decent amount left in there. It's hard to get out of the package, but other than that, it's good. I have a review. Go look for it, you know. But I said I was going to do this later on that week. I never did. So my last video was the clutch press on nails. I added Color Street to it because, you know, that's what I do. So I like that. Not pretty. But they are lifting. So it's time to take these bad boys off. So what I'm going to do is use my review and take these off, see if they'll pop off super easy because they're ready to come off, I think. Some of them are on there really good, but I think the hydrating nail mask will work wonders to take these off. All that moisture, yeah, those should slip right off. So I figured I'd do a 2-in-1. Anyway, so I put these on Monday night. It is now Friday night, and I had not had to re-glue any of them back on. So I'm highly impressed. 4 full days, 4 full work days, soapy water, chemicals, me and my addiction to lotion and oils, you know, on my hands. And they're good. I just started noticing lifting on my way home today. So, and I'm ready. I'm ready to take them off and just rock my natural nails. So I'm going to go wash my hands, and then, because I forgot to do that before I turned on the video. So I'll be right back. Okay, my hands are nice and clean. I use my Mary Kay scrub. It comes in the satin hands kit. I love it. So I scrubbed them really well with that. So now I'm ready. So let's open this bad boy. I usually use the super cheap ones from the dollar store, just so you know. So this is like $5, so let's see how good this is. So it just tears open super easily. I guess I could have read how it works. So here's the little gloves. They're all the good stuff is on the inside. And then, let's see. Hand mask designed for severely dry skin, nut butters, single-use gloves, obviously. How it works: rich formula with vitamin E, macadamia, shea butter, instantly relieves dry hands. I'm in the revive word. I'm sorry. So hands appear softer, smoother, and feel more hydrated after one use. Okay, to use. Place gloves on hand and secure tab around wrist. Leave on for 15 minutes. Gently massage in and wipe away any excess product. Ta-da! Easy peasy. So 15 minutes. Just going to sit and chill because I don't know what else I'm going to do. So let's see. Is it sealed on this end? Yes. So I'm going to cut this little part off. So do that on each one because obviously I'm not going to be able to do it once the glove is on. So I'm just, yeah, cutting along. Ow, as I cut myself. Don't, yeah, whatever, you know. So this is always interesting. So I think I am going to put this hand on first. Ooh, that feels good. It's all cool and it's freaking hot. I live in the Sacramento area and it was 110, what the car said, and it's supposed to be like blazing hot all weekend. Lovely. Okay, so just doing the tab, took the sticky paper off, wrap around wrist. Ta-da! So secure. So here is number 2. Oh, if I can figure it out. Oh, okay. I'm just confusing myself. Don't mind me. Okay, this should be interesting. You may need a helper. before if I can use my teeth. This should be interesting. Okay. Yes, you can do it by yourself. I did it. Okay. Almost had to go ask my husband. Okay, so see you in 15 minutes. Okay, I am back. It has been 15 minutes, so let's take these bad boys off. Ooh. So I'm supposed to remove the excess product. I have some towel. And let's see if I can take this off. Do I have my stuff to do it? Well, let's see. Oh, not bad. Probably have to work it out more, but I started the process. Let's see how my fingers feel. Oh, that feels good. I like that. That one feels nice. I like it. Now I'm going to be having to figure out how to finish taking these off. That one's stuck. So we're not going to force it because that's caused me problems in the bath. But it feels good. I like this one. Sally Hansen does good products. So Sally Hansen Spa Collection. Nice mask. So tell me below if you've tried that one before. Hands feel great. So I'm going to take these press-ons off and continue with my evening. So that's it. Thank you for joining me. Nice quick video. I do like it. It feels very good. Nice. It smells good too. Yeah. So thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to like this video. Give me a nice thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already. Hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. And that's it. I'm going to go take these off and I will see you next time. Toodaloo.